Camera black screen problem. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix camera black screen problem in less than 1 minute. First thing, open the settings, go to the apps manager, open the apps and then scroll until you find the Instagram app. Click on it and click on this force stop option. When you click on the force stop, now all what you wanna do next is click on the storage. Click on clear data and clear cache. Go back and click on the power usage details. Go into the app launch option and make sure to disable this option of manage automatically and enable it back, and then click OK down here as you can see. Now last thing you want to do is open the Play Store if you have Android. Go to the Instagram and click on update, and you can do the same thing on the iPhone with the App Store. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching until the very end.